Gad.
Oh, Math Gad, guys. Welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to solve a system of equations by the method of elimination. This method is no different than the methods of substitution, Gauss-Jordan, or the method of graphing that we have seen before. But the procedure is kind of different. So in this case, we're going to be taking a look at the following system of equations. So we have 3c plus 6d is equal to 18 and 6c minus 2d is equal to 22. And we, of course, want to find the values of c and d that give a solution to this system of equation. Now, when we are doing a problem by elimination, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to multiply one or both equations by a coefficient or a number that would cancel one variable that you are going to choose whenever we are adding the two equations, right? Like, for example, in this case, we have 6d and we have 2d, right? So if we multiply this one by 2 and this one by 6, we would get 2 times 3, 6c, 2 times 6d plus 12b, 2 times 18 is 36, 6 times 6, 36, 6 times minus 2 is minus 12d, and 6 times 22, you are also going to get, that is 132. Now, as you can clearly see in this case, 12d and minus 12d get canceled, and that is what you want to do. You want to eliminate them, right? Another thing that you can do, for example, in this case, is that you, again, multiply this one by 6 and this one by 2. But because 2 and 6 can be simplified, you can divide them by 2. So you can multiply the first one by 1 and the first one by 3, and they are still going to get canceled. So 1 times 3, 3c, 1 times 6d, 6d, and 1 times 18, 18. 3 times 6 is 18c. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6d, and 3 times 22 is 66. And again, these two get canceled because you just simplified. Let's say we want to cancel the c, right? So in this case, if you want to cancel c, what you want to do is, because they are both positive, you're going to multiply either one by negative. So let's say if I want to multiply this one by negative 6 and this one by positive 3, right? Now, because 6 and 3 can be simplified, I am going to divide them both by 3. So if I divide this one by 3, this is I'm going to multiply by plus 1. And I'm going to multiply the first one by minus 2. So minus 2 times 3c is minus 6c. Minus 2 times plus 6d is going to be minus 12d. And minus 2 times 18 is going to be minus 36. Plus 1 multiplied by 6c is going to be 6c. Plus 1 multiplied by minus 2d is minus 2d. And plus 1 times positive 22 is going to be positive 22. Again, the c gets eliminated or canceled, which is, again, what you want to do in this method. And you go minus 12d minus 2d, that's minus 14d. And that is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4. And 3 minus 2 is 1. And it's going to be negative. So d is going to be equal to minus 14 divided by minus 14, which is going to give us an answer of d is equal to 1. Now, in order to find the value of d, or of c, sorry, what you are going to do is that you're either going to substitute or you're going to do elimination again. Now, let's try doing both in order to see if we can get the same answer, which you should. So in the first one, let's take a look. So the first equation is 3c plus 6d is equal to 18, right? And we substitute d equal 1. So 3c plus 6 times 1, because d is 1, is equal to 18. 3c is equal to 18 minus 6. 3c is equal to 18 minus 6, which is 12. So c is equal to 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Or we can do elimination again. Now, if we wanted to do elimination again, we could do the following. So we have 3c plus 6d is equal to 18. We have 6c minus 2d is equal to 22. If I wanted to eliminate the d so that I get the value of c, I can multiply this one by 2 and this one by 6. But because I can simplify by 2, I can multiply by 1 and by 3. So 1 times 3c is 3c. 1 times 6d is 6d is equal to 18 times 1, 18. 3 times 6c is 18c. 3 times minus 2d is minus 6d. And 3 times 22 is 66, which again cancels the d. And there you get 3 plus 18, which is 21c, is equal to 18 plus 66, which is again 84. So c is equal to 84 divided by 21, which again is going to give us 4. So that means that we get the same answer, which means that the procedure is correct. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. Now, I know the elimination method is a little bit trickier in order to see which two variables I'm going to use or which two coefficients I'm going to be multiplying. But usually when we cross multiply, like we did in this example, just verify that the two are going to be canceled. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!